Alright, this is the other side of the Buffalo Forge drill, 10-inch. It's a vintage one. I think these were produced from 1910 to 1940. Looks in good condition for the age. So I'm turning. The gears feel pretty smooth, even though they're dirty. As you can see, I'm rotating the upper pulley and it's turning the motor. These belt drives are not really designed to be as tight as your V-belt, so it's kind of loose, but it works. There's a close-up of the motor. It's a different angle. Close-up of the bearing. Let's lower that down. There you go. Looks like it's in good shape. Clean it up and display it. That's really all I want to do with it. It's just going to be a showpiece. Of course, those Subaru 360s, 3 of them, 2 sedans and 1 van, are just going to have to wait for now. Too many projects. But there it is. I will get some updates, post videos on YouTube. Probably just post a complete video from start to finish. So more to come. There you have it, folks.